Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Photos and finding the person image you want to change. This saves time. Once located in Albums People or via search, tap to view it full screen. Next, tap the three-dot menu or share icon to reveal editing and identification options. Make sure iCloud Photos is on if you sync faces across devices. Don't pause, proceed to assign or edit the person label now, because that identification step controls later face grouping. Now you edit the person record. Tap the name or add name to type exactly how you want it shown. Once done, scroll to confirm faces to verify each face match. Tap to accept or reject. If Photos shows duplicates, use Merge to consolidate into one person entry. Make sure to remove misidentified faces via the Info button, because cleaning these prevents future errors. After verifying several images, Photos will learn and improve grouping automatically. Finish by saving your edits and allowing iCloud to sync, so the updated person appears on other devices. Once done, check other albums to confirm the change propagated. If face updates don't appear, try toggling iCloud Photos off and on, or force quit and reopen Photos. This often resolves delays. As a last resort, restart the iPhone and install any pending iOS updates, because system bugs can block face recognition. If issues continue, repeat confirmation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.